Y'all, I just had to come here and show y'all my shirt. Alright, so my best friend Elisa sent it to me as a gift because it's Carolina, of course, and we're, of course, Tar Heels. However, it was a small, and I could not get these under thighs through the arm. So these leggings have now turned into a top. So if you look at it, this will be the butt part, or either that part, and these would be the legs. So I simply cut out the crotch and made me a neck hole and rolled up the sleeve so it's tight.
Your type of love, you the